What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter 2T's. I'm back with another video. I'm still trying to get used to my iPhone 11 and what it does and doesn't do. And I always forget and end up looking over there for some reason. But we're going to be doing an unboxing. I have the highest speed router. It was $10 a month. No big deal. It's nothing off the sweat of my back. It's all good. $10 a month for this upgraded box. Now this one will be FIOS's highest model, which is I guess about 950, almost 1,000 up, and the same thing down for upload and download speeds. So we're gonna open it up, see what it look like, and read it and see what it does. Sit down. I guess I can sit here. I don't know why they went with the color white, but they did. They went with the color white. So what it comes with is you'll get this. I'm not sure that I'll even need that little connector piece to go from, and it comes with two of these. I don't think that I'll need either one of those at all. So, but this is the kit, and I think you just kind of, you'll know when you get one. I'll sit this right here for now, but it pretty much is nothing on it. And then on the back of it, it shows FIOS router is your gateway to all FIOS services. Simple to set up and easy to operate. And then it comes with a router, a power adapter, Ethernet cable, Cox cable, Cox splitter. And then on the back, there's some information on the back of it telling you what basically the back of it does. If you can see that, it basically shows what all the little plugins. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure the power cord goes down at the bottom. The Ethernet cable from the main box, which is inside of that room, in the laundry room, and then you basically plug it right in. So basically what I'll do is just unplug the power in the Cox from what I have in the back of my living room one now, and plug it straight into this, and just use the same Ethernet cord that I've been using. Well, let's see if we can. It's called okay, so you guys get to see what it is. It's the G3100 router. So maybe you can look that up. That's what I'll have in the description of what it is. I think this is their newest router. It said product containing certain software, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's just letting me know what's going on. So, yeah, you just take this out and you can set it up. Let's see. Okay, so it has all, and then let's see what else is in the box. You got this power cord here. That'll come with it. And then that's it. Nothing else is in the box. There you have it. And then here's some Ethernet cord that comes with it, which I probably won't even be needing this because I have a cord that's already running to my PlayStation. So that is all the stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was the unboxing of this new setup. I'm pretty sure this little check mark lights up and that button lights up whenever you cut it on. I'll be hooking it up, setting it up, and I'll be letting you guys know the performance of this. And if I'm seeing better download speed and upload speeds, it's $10 a month. Yeah, they got the 3.0 USB power cord, pretty much self-explanatory. Hey, thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of me unboxing the new, basically G3100 router for FIOS high-speed internet. This is Ghost Fighter 2T's, and I'm out.